Did you know your BFCU checking account could help protect your cell phone?
Hmm. Tell me more.
Today on BFCU's Money Minute, we're going to take a closer look at a really useful feature. It comes with BFCU's Prestige checking.
Ah, okay.
It's cell phone protection.
That's right. And, think of it like this. If your phone breaks, maybe gets stolen,
Yeah.
this account has a way it might actually help you pay to get it fixed or maybe even replaced.
Okay, let's dig a little deeper then.
Yeah.
How exactly does having Prestige checking give you that kind of protection for your phone?
Well, when you have a Prestige checking account, it comes with something specific. It's called cellular telephone protection.
Okay.
So if your phone gets damaged or, like I said, stolen, this can help cover, I think it's up to $300.
$800.
Yeah, towards getting it fixed or, getting a new one. And that can really soften the blow,
Yeah.
especially when you think about how much repairs cost now. Cracked screens, things like that.
That makes total sense.
Yeah.
So if something does happen, is there a cost I need to think about first?
Yeah, there is. There's a small amount you'd pay first. It's $50.
Okay, like a copay sort of thing.
Exactly, yeah, that's the deductible. Also, just so you know, there's a limit. You can use this up to 2 times each year.
2 times a year. Got
Yeah.
it. So which phones? Like if I have a family plan?
Good question. It covers the first 3 phones listed on your monthly cell phone bill.
Okay, the first 3.
Right. But this is really important.
What's that?
That cell phone bill has to be paid using your Prestige checking account.
Ah, okay. So you got to pay the bill from that account.
Exactly. For the protection to actually work. It just, make sure you're using the account that gives you the benefit.
Okay, that's really good to know. And what about travel? Does this only help if I'm in the States?
No, not at all, actually. This protection works whether you're here in the U.S. or traveling in another country.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's really handy, especially for people who travel a lot.
It definitely is. Now, I know Prestige checking, it has some other things too, right? Other benefits.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Could we touch on those just briefly?
Sure. So besides the phone thing, Prestige checking offers other ways to, give you some security, maybe save some money. Like
What?
Well, for instance, identity theft. There's ID Protect.
Okay.
That helps monitor your info, and it can even help cover costs if you become a victim. Up to $10,000 in reimbursement.
Wow, okay.
Then there's accidental death and dismemberment insurance. That gives some financial backup in case of a serious accident, also up to $10,000. And for things you buy with your debit card, there's Debit Advantage. That includes buyer's protection, so if something you buy gets damaged or stolen soon after,
Yeah.
it might be covered. And it can sometimes extend the warranty, too.
So it's definitely more than just the phone protection then. What about saving money? Did you mention that?
I did, yeah. Prestige checking also gives you discounts. Things like travel, shopping. It's through programs like Hopping Rewards TM and a travel and leisure discount membership.
Oh.
Plus, there are even some ways to save on, like, healthcare costs.
This sounds like it could be a really good fit for, people who want those extra layers of security and maybe some savings.
Yeah, I think so.
So how does someone actually get Prestige checking?
Well, it's designed for folks who value those extra benefits. There is a $6 monthly service fee.
Okay. $6.
Right. But the regular account maintenance fee, that's waived. And there's no minimum deposit you need to open the account.
No minimum. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
And if someone listening is interested, they want to find out more, maybe open one, what's the best way?
There are several easy ways. You can visit the BFCU website. That's www.bfcu.org.
Yeah.
Or download the BFCU mobile app. Pretty handy.
Mm-hmm.
If you'd rather talk to someone, you can call Member Services. The number is 318-549-8145. Or toll-free, 800-647-BFCU. That's 2328. Just pick option 4.
Got it.
And, of course, you can always just stop by a BFCU location.
Right, and the website or app probably lists those.
Exactly. All the locations are listed there.
Okay. So if we boil it all down,
Yeah.
what's the main thing we should remember today about Prestige checking?
I think the key takeaway is that Prestige checking offers some really valuable benefits. And that cell phone protection we talked so much about.
Yeah.
It's just a great example of how it provides that extra security and maybe some, unexpected peace of mind.
Right. So that phone you're carrying around might just have a bit of a safety net thanks to your account.
Exactly.
Here's something to think about. We rely on our phones for so much these days, don't we?
Oh, absolutely. Everything.
So having this extra layer of protection, well, it could really come in handy probably when you least expect it.
It makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other everyday things do we rely on that maybe we haven't thought about protecting in quite the same way?
Definitely food for thought. Don't forget to follow BFCU's Money Minute Mustn't.
Where we make money make sense.